Alright, this video is to talk about the waterfall feature on PowerSDR 2.7.2 revision 05. And what I've done now is I've threaded the process of creating the waterfall image in the background so there's no delay, and also I've fixed the flex code that resamples so I don't need to resample the code myself, so it speeds along the process now. And I sample the waterfall at a 48K sample rate, so I don't have to sample it at 192K if that's what you're running on a Flex 5000. Anyway, so when you start it, you're going to see something up in there. It turned green when I put my mouse over it because it's a valid waterfall. Yours wouldn't be valid the first time, but basically if you highlight it and you change it in any way, let's say capitalizing it, and then I move my mouse off of it, it goes red, and you notice everything was still functioning, and then it goes green when the waterfall is now a valid file. It's a valid WAV file, digital postcode modulation file. Now it enables this button here, so I can click it, it'll say transmit. It's transmitting the call sign in the waterfall, and now it's done. Now if I can also change that to, and you got to leave your mouse in this window here while you're changing the text, but I also have something in here called like a test P24 dot. You put a decimal point at the end, and now it'll look for a 24-bit color bitmap image or an 8-bit bitmap image, and it's red. Now it's green again, so now it's ready to transmit. If I would have clicked on this transmit ID, it would not let me until I get a green. I click transmit, and in this case that's one of those old test patterns, and it narrows the bandwidth down, so even if I'm transmitting at, let's say 4K, it narrows it down while I'm transmitting and then widens it up. And that's it. It should remember now that it's got databases saved, so it will remember the last thing you typed in. So when you turn it on, it'll look yellow, whitish yellow color, and you just hold your mouse in there, bring it back out. If it goes green, you're ready to transmit. Otherwise, you gotta type the name in over again and transmit over again.